Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Are you ready to discover an incredible opportunity to effortlessly boost your passive income? Then, look no further as this video holds the key to just that. Chances are, you're already equipped with a smartphone or computer and have access to the internet or a data connection. And that's all it takes to embark on this exciting journey. And of course, an app or software to get you started. The link for this is conveniently provided in the description below. Your path to easy money begins now. Let me introduce you to EarnFM, a rapidly growing passive income platform headquartered in Switzerland. EarnFM is a multi-OS passive income platform that pays you for sharing your unused bandwidth. With EarnFM, your internet connection becomes a valuable asset for you to generate passive income. EarnFM is available for computers running on Microsoft Windows and Apple macOS. You can also install it via Docker. On mobile devices, you can install EarnFM on smartphones running Google Android or Apple iOS. So let us get started on an exciting passive income journey with EarnFM. To install EarnFM, you would need to first visit their official website by clicking the link provided in the video description. This special invite link allows you to claim a free $5 starting balance. You would need to then sign up to use EarnFM by providing your name, an email address, and a secure password. Alternatively, you can also sign up to use EarnFM using your Google, Apple, or Discord accounts. You need to then download and install the EarnFM application on your computer or mobile device. I have provided the download link in the video description. Remember, before you download and install EarnFM, you should have already signed up, as mentioned in the previous step, to be eligible for your $5 starting bonus. As mentioned earlier, EarnFM is available for various operating systems. Thus, you have the flexibility to choose multiple devices to run EarnFM and earn from. Please let me know in the comment section below which operating system you prefer. It will help me make more videos of passive income apps running on those platforms. After installation, launch the application on your computer or on your smartphone. Agree with the terms of use after reading it carefully and only if you agree with them. Sign in with your email address and password that you provided during the sign-up process. Alternatively, you can sign in with your Google, Apple, or Discord accounts. This method will launch a web browser to help you log in. It is now time to kickstart your passive income journey. Here are some ways to maximize your earnings from EarnFM. The application takes a while to recognize your IP for internet traffic and measure your connection stability. So, if you stop sharing, you will slow down or pause your earning potential. Give it at least a few weeks before you start to see your earnings grow substantially. Your earnings directly depend on your internet connection speed and on the amount of traffic you share. The more you share, the more you earn. Remember to install the application on multiple devices on different networks or IP addresses. The more the networks and devices, the more you earn. It is important to avoid having more than one device on the same network. If you want to know how much you can earn using the application, you can get a ballpark figure by using the income estimator on their website. Your earnings may, however, differ based on several factors. So, what are you waiting for? Click the join link in the video description below to sign up. Get started on your passive income journey today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more passive income videos. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video.